Hey, I'm at the Niagara Falls already. Can you see? Oh, that's right in front of us. That's the American side, and far end, that's the Canadian side. In fact, I'm on the Canadian land. We can see that across the water body, that's the American side, and they have their own tour too. We figured out that it's the same company so that they can monopolize the market, and no other boats can come here. Nice, right? I think it'd be nice if I get closer to the falls here. Let me try to zoom in. I think it's quite blurry because of the mist generated by the waterfall. I can see pretty clearly, I don't know if you can. Okay, now I'm going to wait for my next boat because this one just left. About 15 minutes I guess. And there's a lot of foamy rubbish over here. Yeah, I think the least they can do is like to scoop it up, right?
Yeah, just scoop it.
Well, I don't know, maybe it generates too much every day, it's too tiring to scoop everything up. Okay, one boat is coming back. Okay, maybe you'll be boarding that. All of us look like penguins. Hi, Miss Tay. Miss Tay. Are you excited about going up
Later
on the ride?
you video me again. You put on Facebook and your video of the moment vlog.
I'm not going to put it on Facebook.
Oh no, you put it on YouTube.
Yes, of course I'm going to put it on
And you
YouTube.
don't say special thanks to me.
So you want a special credit section after my videos with you in it?
Of course. Then you
Okay.
realize that your YouTube viewership increased wherever I appeared.
Uh-huh.
This is what you said, what?
Yes, that's because I'm a good talent scout.
So you have to say special thanks to me because of my appearance.
Okay, it will appear from this video onwards. Special thanks to Miss Tay and her guest appearance.
Yeah, you see, I got so many people with me today.
And are they your fans?
They are my, they are.
Sorry? I'm sorry.
Wait, got flash eh?
So yeah, you're saying are they your fans?
Yeah, anyway, the Niagara Falls is very nice.
You think so? Which one? What do you want?
Got so much water.
I see a Chinese looking woman here.
A Chinese what?
A Chinese looking woman.
Oh, they are a couple.
They are? They look like couples.
Yeah,
She
they
asked him
are.
to, you should interview them.
Hi Sam. I'm doing a special report on this. Okay. Hold on.